Hey, this is Richard Barker. Make sure you join this webinar. You don't want to miss this one. You're going to discover how to use the power of QR codes, digital business cards, and automation to transform casual conversations or even events or even networking groups into real revenue. I came across this really amazing opportunity a couple of days ago, and I want to share it with you. So, whether you're at a networking event or even just gathering personal contacts, then you're going to want to see this system where you can not only instantly capture contact details from anyone that you meet, you can also add them to your CRM and they do all the hard work on their phone just by scanning a QR code. You can then automate all the follow up and you even get a selfie or an event photo or an audience photo that they take and they upload and you get a copy of. There's nothing better and there's no easier way than building a list and nurturing leads than what I'm about to show you. So it doesn't matter if you're a coach, consultant, speaker, or just somebody curious, you're going to want to jump on this webinar and I'm going to show you the full insides of the workings of the system. You really are going to be amazed about what I'm about to show you.